Hello, welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to set wholesale prices for individual products and product variations using the Wholes plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products, All Products, and choose a simple product to edit. In the Product Edit screen, scroll to the General tab inside the Product Data section. Here, you'll see fields for wholesale price and minimum quantity. Enter your desired wholesale price and the minimum quantity required to activate that price. You can now preview the simple product as a logged-in wholesale customer to confirm the pricing display. This pricing setup works when wholesaler type setup is set to single role based in the Wholes settings. If you want to set different wholesale prices for multiple roles, go to Wholes, Settings, General Settings. Under Wholesaler Type Setup, change the mode to multiple role based and click Save Changes. Now return to your product and refresh the page. You'll now have access to a more advanced pricing interface where you can set role-based wholesale prices and minimum quantities. You can also configure tiered pricing for the same role, allowing you to define multiple pricing levels based on quantity ranges. You can now preview the simple product as a logged-in wholesale customer to confirm the pricing display. This lets you define different prices and minimum quantities for each role, such as default role, gold wholesaler, or platinum distributor. To set wholesale prices for variable products, go to Products, All Products, and edit a variable product. Navigate to the Variations tab inside the Product Data panel. For each variation, you'll find the same wholesale pricing fields: wholesale price, minimum quantity. If you're using multiple role-based, you'll be able to assign different prices for each role at the variation level as well. You can now preview the simple product as a logged-in wholesale customer to confirm the pricing display. And that's how you set wholesale prices for both simple and variable products in the Wholes plugin, using both single role-based and multiple role-based pricing setups. Thanks for watching. After updating your simple and variable products, be sure to test them from the front end while logged in as a wholesale user to confirm the correct pricing is displayed. Check out more Wholes tutorials to continue improving your wholesale setup.